Natin SSG1 GNG SSG1 color red. So i-out natin siya ngayon. So yung first assembly niya is metal, and yung pinaka tip niya, and then receiver or body is polymer. Naka blade trigger na rin, naka drop stock. Ito yung stock niya. And magazine niya is 105 rounds na na mid cap magazine. Okay, test natin. Photo. Okay, so for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.